Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to explain one real solar panel nameplates that we use in actual power plants. This is a 545 watt solar panel. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what every voltage, current and safety values means in practical life. And first we are going to see peak power 545 watts. Now the first value is peak power written as a P max, as I said 545. This simply means the maximum power this panel can give in perfect sunlight condition or standard test condition, that means laboratory test condition. Whenever you hear some says this is a 545 watt panel, they are talking about this Pmax value. The next we are going to talk about open circuit voltage, which is around 49.75 volts. This is the voltage you will get when the panel is kept in sunlight, but nothing is connected to it. This value is very important when we design strings, because many panels are connected in series and voltage keeps adding. That's why this is open circuit voltage. Next one is max power voltage, maximum power voltage, VMP, 41.8 volt. This is actually working voltage. This is the actual voltage when the panel is properly connected and producing full power. So VOC is like no load voltage, and VMP is the real working voltage. Now look at short circuit current, which is about 13.93 amps. This is the maximum current that flows if we directly short the panel's terminals. We mainly use this value for selecting DC cables, MCBs and fuses. Next is maximum power current, around 13.04 amps. This is the normal current when the panel is operating at full power. This is the current that flows in real plant operation. And another one here, it is written power selection 0 to plus 5 watt. This is a very good point. It means this panel will never give less than 545 watts. Sometimes it may even give 547, 48, 550 watts. That's why we call it a positive tolerance panel, plus 5 watt. Okay, next we are going to see the next one is positive tolerance, then maximum system voltage. Yes, the last point, maximum system voltage. Now one very important value is maximum system voltage. This tells us the maximum DC voltage this panel can safely handle in a solar plant. Because of 1500 volts rating, we can connect more panels in one string and reduce overall cable losses. Maximum fuse rating where it is. Maximum fuse rating means maximum overcurrent protection rating. Here you can see maximum overcurrent protection 30 amps. This means the DC fuse or MCB connected to this panel should not be more than 30 amps. This protects the panel from reverse current during fault conditions. And next one is safety class. Safety class is like class 1, class 2. There are 3 more classes available. Here mentioned class 2. This panel comes under class 2 safety, which means it has double insulation and very high electrical safety. So extra earthing at the module level is not required. Additional module earthing not required for this panel. Then IEC standards. IEC numbers you see here shows that this panel is tested as per international safety and quality standards. It passed mechanical test, electrical test, fire test and long-term performance test also. Okay, then next we are going to see power tolerance. What is means power tolerance? Here you can also see tolerance values for voltage, power and current. Small plus and minus variation is allowed because all panels are not exactly identical after manufacturing. This is completely normal and according to IEC standards. Okay, power production tolerance plus or minus 3%, and open circuit voltage tolerance plus or minus 3%, and short circuit tolerance plus or minus 4%. Next we are going to see the safety warnings. Here you can see a warning sign. It clearly says that the panel will start producing electricity when sunlight falls on it. So never disconnect MC4 connectors under load because DC arc can be very dangerous. Next one is what is TC condition. All technical data at standard test condition. All technical data standard test condition. All these values are measured at standard test condition. That means sunlight's 1000 watt per square meter, temperature 25 degrees Celsius, air mass 1.5. But in real site, temperature is higher. So actual power will be slightly lower than 545 volt. Okay. This is the strong high power 545 watt power solar panel specifically designed for large solar plants with 1500 volt systems. I hope this explanation helped you. Please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the